Writing files lets your program save data for later use. Whether you are saving logs, user settings, or generated reports, C# makes writing text files straightforward and reliable across different platforms. Write.all.text creates or completely overwrites a file by replacing any existing content. Append.all.text adds to an existing file, which is perfect for appending to log files without losing previous entries. StreamWriter gives you more control for writing line by line, where the using statement automatically flushes and closes the writer when done. This is more efficient for writing multiple lines. Always use the using statements to ensure that files close properly even if exceptions occur. Handle IOExceptions for disk full errors or permission issues, and ensure that directories exist with the directory.createDirectory to prevent path errors.